it's the 14th of October 2020, and what was the address again?
Sån skötte Tuularinkatu, Tuularinkatu 4.
Or 224.
Ah, yeah.
2
Yeah.
Stegis B. And Rahola,
Yeah.
Tampere, Pirkanmaa, Pirkanmaan region, Finland. This one has 6 floors, and it was built in 1963. Late 1963, completed in 1964. The sexes, the E and F were built in early 1964. The serial number is H11675. And it's going to be inspected in 2022. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Shaking a little bit.
Yeah.
On the way up. You can press it actually. Hope nobody is there.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. We only had to get into through one staircase.
Yeah.
We can get all 3, all 6 actually.
Yeah.
But I mean, we needed to go through 2 staircases to get all 6. So it was not very difficult.
Yeah.
But it was difficult to wait for someone to go in or out. But I mean, in the staircase D, there was some movement going on.
Yeah.
Moving there, so. That was very easy there.
Yeah. Spektiittaikin täältä mentiin, vaikka on.
And luckily everything's still original here.
Yeah.
Still managed to get it to complete original. 100%.
Yeah.
And then you get the next one filmed also. The last one to be filmed. Last one to be filmed both in this residential building and the last one to be filmed in this building today. That's it.